If you understand this one idea, you understand wealth building. $200 a month becomes $300,000. Here's exactly how. The idea is compound interest, and it's the single most powerful concept in personal finance. Einstein supposedly called it the eighth wonder of the world. Whether or not he actually said that, the math is real. In this video, I'll show you exactly how compound interest works, why starting at 22 crushes starting at 32, even if you save more later, and the 3 things you can do this week to put it to work for yourself. Let's start with the basic idea. Compound interest is interest that earns its own interest. Simple interest is when you only earn interest on the money you put in. If you save $1,000 at 5% simple interest, you earn $50 every year. After 10 years, you have $1,500. Compound interest is when you earn interest on your interest too, same $1,000 at 5% compounding annually. After year 1, you have $1,050. Year 2, you earn 5% on the $52 you just earned. After 10 years, you have $1,629. After 30 years, you have $4,322. Same starting amount, same interest rate. The compounding makes the difference, and the longer you let it run, the more dramatic the gap. Now let me show you the chart that changes how people think about money. Meet 2 savers. Saver A is 22 years old. She saves $200 per month from age 22 to 32. Then she stops completely. She lets that money sit and grow until age 65. She invests for 10 years total, $24,000 out of her own pocket. Saver B is 32 years old. He starts saving $200 per month at age 32. He keeps saving every single month until age 65. He invests for 33 years, $79,000 out of his own pocket. Same amount monthly. Same investment returns, 7% average annual return. Who has more at retirement? Saver A has $384,000 at 65. Saver B has $279,000 at 65. Saver A wins by more than $100,000 despite investing 1/3 the total amount. How? Because Saver A's money had 10 extra years to compound. Those early years did the heavy lifting. Saver B was always trying to catch up, but he never could. This is why personal finance is built around starting early, not because young people have more money. They have less, but they have more time, and time is the active ingredient in compound interest. Here's another way to think about it. The rule of 72. Take 72, divide by your interest rate. The answer is how many years it takes your money to double. At 7%, money doubles every 10.3 years. At 10%, every 7.2 years. So $1,000 at 7% becomes $2,000 in 10 years, $4,000 in 20, $8,000 in 30, $16,000 in 40, same $1,000. This is also why high-interest debt is devastating. Credit card debt at 24% doubles every 3 years. The same math that builds wealth slowly destroys it quickly when it works against you. Now let me show you how this applies to retirement. $200 per month, 7% average return. Starting at 25. By age 65, you'll have around $525,000 from contributing $96,000 of your own money. Start at 35 instead. Same $200 per month, same 7%. You'll have $245,000 at 65, less than half, because you missed 10 years of doubling. Start at 45, you'll have $101,000, less than 1/5 of starting at 25. Same monthly amount, different start times, massive different outcomes. So how do you put this to work in your actual life? 3 concrete steps. Step 1. Open a tax-advantaged retirement account this week. A Roth IRA at any major brokerage takes 15 minutes, even if you can only put in $25 to start. Just open the account. Step 2. Set up automatic contributions. The amount matters less than the consistency. Automation eliminates motivation from the equation. Step 3. Increase your contribution every year. Even small increases compound. Going from $100 to $150 per month over 30 years adds tens of thousands. Set a recurring calendar reminder to bump it up by $25 every January. That's it. 3 steps. The hard part isn't the math. The hard part is starting before you feel ready. Quick recap. Compound interest is interest earning its own interest. The earlier you start, the more dramatic the effect. Saver A beats Saver B, even contributing 1/3 as much because time matters more than amount. Rule of 72 tells you doubling time. Open a Roth IRA, automate contributions, and increase yearly. If this helped, subscribe for more straightforward money education. and drop a comment with your current age and target retirement age. The math is more motivating when you see your real numbers. See you in the next one.